Ah! The gods are angry! We're all doomed!
In the outskirts of cyberspace, in a remote region of YouTube, there is an ongoing battle between good and evil. While our hero defies God with logic and reason, the evil scientist, hell-bent on discovering a cure for cancer and foiling God's wonderful cancer design, tries to hinder our hero's mission. This is... Episode 666, Inductive Proof of the Afterlife.
Because I base my belief in God on logic, just pure reason alone. Now, that would make me a rational theist.
The premise. If an event is impossible to imagine happening, then it cannot happen.
These are some of the superpowers the rational theists claim to have.
It is impossible to imagine yourself not existing. It is impossible for you to cease to exist.
Me? I have no superpowers.
It's impossible for you to cease to exist, in other words. So, it's a really simple conclusion, but it's also very strong. And the reason why it's so strong is because it implies so many other things. Think about it. If your brain can and will cease to exist, what does that mean? Well, it means that your brain is not your consciousness, and your brain doesn't create your consciousness. I think that's what makes a lot of people angry, right? Because once I get to that point, it's only a matter of time before I get to God through logic, right? Why? Because I can also conclude that no physical object creates your mind. And this is how. The physical universe could cease to exist. All the physical things could just disappear one day into a singularity and just poof, be gone, and your mind would still exist. That means that no physical object creates your mind, and your mind is no physical object.
Holy flying leap of logic, Batman.
Holy flying leap of logic indeed, Batman. Well, let's take a look at that first premise that you base everything else from the afterlife to God. If an event is impossible to imagine happening, then it cannot happen. Well, on page 85, Rational Theist Man, can you imagine the following event? The exact electron configuration of every atom in the universe at exactly 12 p.m. on Thursday, September 15, 2011. Well, can you do that? When you can come back with me with the exact answer to that event, then I will believe in your God. Okay? Will the rational theist be able to predict the exact electron configuration of every atom? Will the evil scientist find a cure for cancer and stop God's perfect plan of agonizing pain and death? You will find out next week, same time, same channel, same holy flying leaps of logic, Batman. On a more serious note, if you have some money to spare, please donate to cancer research. Thank you.